Hey guys! By now you're probably beginning to think about all things Christmas, perhaps including what to put on your Christmas list. So today I'm sharing a gift guide for women. These are kind of my favorite things, so I think you're really going to love them. There's some practical things, and then there are just some fun things that I love. So guys, if you're looking for some ideas, this video is for you too, so stick around. Okay, getting right into the gift guide, I wanted to preface this by saying that I'm going to link all of these things down below. The majority of these things, actually, I think all of these things you can get on Amazon. So if you're looking for something, good old Amazon delivers. So I'm gonna get right into it with one of my favorite gifts my husband gave to me a couple of years ago is this Zoya nail polish. So I have 4 of these colors. They're all kind of in the same sort of pinky red tones, as you can see. And I like this because number one, it stays on for a full week without chipping, as long as you put a top coat on, but a full week. I do 2 coats of this and 1 top coat and I'm good to go. The other reason I really like it is because you're not putting all kinds of chemicals on your nails. It doesn't have formaldehyde and other chemicals that you would typically find in most nail polishes. So Zoya nail polish, I will link it below. My next item is something that I've had for probably about a year now and that I love. Makes my everyday so much easier, and that is this microfiber makeup cloth. So you can get these in 4 packs on Amazon, and I think they're about $9 for a 4-pack, which is really cheap, and it saves me so much money. You use this to take off your makeup every day, and as you can see, mine's been a little used, but it washes up really nicely in the washing machine. You can dry it just like normal, and it's so soft. Like, it's not rough at all. And then you don't have to buy those makeup removing cloths, so it's good for the environment and it saves you a whole lot of money. So check those out for sure. Okay, the next gift I wanted to show you is something that I've had for a couple of years. I think I got it the same birthday or Christmas that my husband got the nail polish, and that is this, sorry, the top of it's kind of dirty. Let me wipe it off. It's just not as shiny, not dirty, it's just not as shiny as it was. This Vera Wang perfume, and it is just called, it's her signature fragrance, Vera Wang. And my husband picked this out for me on Amazon, hadn't smelled it, and it is gorgeous. It is such a beautiful scent. It's not too strong, and I think it's about $30 on Amazon. Yeah, it's just a really pleasant floral type fragrance. So if you like that kind of scent, then you might want to check this out. You could always go to like Sephora or Ulta or what else am I thinking? Like maybe in Dillard's or something where they have like the perfume counters, and just smell it just to make sure you like it. But I really like it. It's a subtle fragrance, not overpowering, and I've had this for a couple of years now, and as you can see, it takes a long time to go down. So one of my favorites. All right, so this next one is a little bit more of a practical gift, not necessarily like a super fun one, but I use it all the time, and that is my handy dandy steamer. So I actually don't use my iron like at all anymore. I almost got rid of it, and then I thought, what if I need it for something? Like, there must be something I might still need it for, so I've kept it. But this is not the travel size. They do have smaller ones of these. My kids actually have those, and my daughter that just went off to college uses it all the time. But it's really easy to use. You just fill it up with water, you put the lid on, you plug it in, and you turn the button on, and literally it is ready to steam in maybe 30 seconds. It doesn't take long at all. And I use this for like anything that's wrinkled. So clothes, if I'm going to church on Sunday and I'm like, oh my gosh, the dress I want to wear is super wrinkled, I just hang my dress up like on my shower rod and just steam it real quick, and it's all good to go. It works great on napkins, tablecloths, curtains, anything like that. So, and it's also very inexpensive and has great reviews on Amazon. I can't remember the price of this one. I think it's, I'll put it up here in the video, but I want to say it's like $15. It's not expensive at all. So there you go. Okay, my next gift is also very practical, and you may already have some of these, but you could always do with more. And if you don't, you need some. And that is the silicone baking mat. This saves me so many times from things sticking on my pans. It works great for cookies. I roast things on here like vegetables. It's great like if you freeze sliced bananas for smoothies, or you want to flash freeze fruit or anything else for that matter. You can just pop it right on the silicone baking mat on a cookie sheet and pop it in your freezer. Or if you're baking, pop it in your oven, and it washes up really, really well. And yeah, I love them. I have 3 of them and I use them all the time. My next gift is this Grand Lash Lash Serum. This stuff is amazing. So I debated for a while about getting lash extensions only because I really like long, luscious lashes. It just makes me feel really feminine and girly. I always have liked that. But I didn't, sorry for anyone out there that has lash extensions. I'm not saying anything against you, but I just never feel like they look super natural, and I'm a pretty low maintenance girl in general. Like I'm not really into a ton of makeup or anything like that, and I like to look natural. So I checked this out on Amazon. It had really good reviews. It was $30, and this is a 6-week supply, it says. And oh my gosh, you guys, in just a couple of weeks, my eyelashes were so much longer and thicker. As a matter of fact, it got to the point where I was like, whoa, better back off a little bit or my eyelashes are going to be up to here. But anyways, I love it, and I didn't find that it damaged my lashes at all like extensions might, which I really liked as well. So, and here's what it looks like. This little tube here. And this does actually last me a lot longer than 6 weeks. It usually lasts me a couple of months, so like at least 2 months. So I feel like it's a pretty good bang for your buck. Okay, now I have to give a little disclaimer about this next one. Okay, ladies, don't get mad at your husband or your boyfriend or your kids or whomever if they buy this for you, because I promise you, you will be happy that they did. And that is this Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Cream. Okay, so it's it's like a really rich moisturizing cream, and you can use it morning or night. I usually use it just in the nighttime because it is really thick. But can I just tell you, you know, like those fine lines around your eyes, or if you get a little bit older, probably into your 40s, if you sleep on your side all the time and everything's squished and you start to get those like little fine lines right here. I have never had results from anything else ever, and I've tried a few things, but this actually makes a difference. You will see less lines, I promise you. So you should check this one out, and I think it's not super inexpensive. I want to say it's like $25 to $30. They do sell it at Costco though too, I'm pretty sure, and that's a 2-pack. So and I don't remember how much it is there, but it is a little bit less there. So you might want to suggest your husband or your boyfriend or whomever look there if they're looking to buy this for you. But I have this stuff on auto subscription on Amazon. It's that good. Another practical gift that I absolutely love. Have you ever heard like podcasters or YouTubers have a little segment that's like, what's saving my life? Well, let me tell you, this thing saves my life all the time. My in-laws bought one for each person in the family, and it is this little Shark handheld vacuum. It is the coolest little vacuum, and it picks up, oops, oh, that's gross. Do you see what's on my pants now? Okay, hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I didn't look in the end of that. I guess it needs to be cleaned. Oops. Anyways, it's a super easy to use vacuum. It just has a button for on and off, and then to open this little filter, which is where all that junk goes, you just push this little button and it pops open. And then you can also slide the filter out to rinse it off and let it dry and put it back in. But this stuff picks up everything. It is the best for like little crumbs you might find around, or you know, if your kids spill a little something. It is only a dry vac, not a wet vac. This necklace is a knockoff from Kendra Scott, but I bought it on Amazon. It's by the brand Humble Chic. I kept seeing those Kendra Scott necklaces all over and loving them. They're just so dainty and sweet, and they come in all different colors, and they're very much my style, kind of a classic look. But I didn't want to pay the price, so I found a necklace that looked almost identical on Amazon and put it on my wish list, and I got it for, I think, my birthday or Christmas, I can't recall. There are also earrings to match. They have all different styles of these, but I really like these drop earrings, and both of these were really inexpensive, like $15 or $20. So they're a great option, and they seem to be pretty well made, and yeah, I love them, and I always get compliments when I wear them. This might be my favorite gift. Last year for my birthday, my husband surprised me by letting me pick out a brand new sectional for our living room, which of course was something we were gonna get anyways, but I got to be the one to pick it. That was my birthday gift, but it was gonna take like 8 months to get here. So to go with that, so that I would have something to open, my hubby got me this luxurious throw blanket. You guys, it is so soft. And the other side is velvet. It's like all velvety, so I mean, really either side is amazing. And I love the colors on it. It's all gray, but it's all a little variation in it. You can probably see that. I think we got it at Costco, but they have the same one on Amazon. So I'm gonna link that one as well. And this one and the vacuum are probably my priciest gifts. I think the vacuum is $100 and something, and this throw I think is about $50. But oh, you guys, it is so worth it. It's like snuggling up with a cloud. I love it. So there you go, you guys. I hope you saw some things that you loved. These are legitimately my favorite gifts. So I think that any woman in your life would like to receive some of these things. Don't forget to go to Amazon. You can click on the links below. I have linked each item down there, and you can go maybe buy them for yourself if they're on a good deal, or add them to an Amazon wish list so that your friends and family know the things that you would love to have. And don't forget to subscribe so you can see more videos just like this, and click that notification bell. It'll tell you every time I upload a new video. And tell me down below which of these gifts you would like to get for Christmas.